What's up, you guys? It's OptionsFinest, and today we're back again with another unboxing. And this time it's a keyboard, and it is pretty cool because the keyboard I've had was literally since 2014, so I'm really excited to get into this and test it out and see if I like it. And if I do, I'll keep it. If not, I won't. So this keyboard is the Huntsman, you can see by the title, and this is how it was packaged. I took it out of the bag, came in an Amazon bag. This is how it was packaged. Unfortunately, it got ripped, but it's like a present, so let's go. It's Christmas. So the Huntsman V2 60% keyboard, so it's not as much as a full keyboard, which is what I have currently. This one has the num lock and everything. This is just the keyboard. So I'm thinking it might actually end up helping me just because I don't have that much space on my desk and I'm starting to veer towards a minimal setup. So some of the things that you will note is the analog switch technology, which if you know anything about analog switches, they're very customizable. Double shot PBT keycaps, onboard memory and lighting presets, typical Razer stuff on there. 60% analog keyboard, and this stuff has foam behind it, so it's not as clicky and as loud. You'll see on the back, and it can be wired or wireless, which is very nice. So you can choose to have something on the single press or double press. It's very customizable. So this is opening. I got it open. See, there it is. It looks very nice. So you have everything up here, which is the typical stuff, the manual and the stickers. I'm not going to get into that, it's standard stuff. Got the cover, and inside of this bag is of course the cord and the keyboard. So it's nice and wrapped up in plastic. Try and keep it intact as much as possible. It's very light. It is literally not even the size of my arm. I'm 6'2", so I obviously have long arms. But still, compared to this other keyboard, the other keyboard's about almost double. It's almost double the size because it's 60%. That makes sense. Ooh, very nice. So it's out of the box. I feel the cold aluminum, you can tell. It's very quiet. So here you can hear it. Awesome. Alright, and then you have the cord. Very good. So now you have all of the keys, and what's also really cool is that you have the numbers and everything on the actual F keys on the inside, so you just hit the Alt and then do that. So it feels very, very nice. Now I'm going to be doing a review video very soon, so stay tuned for that. And then in the future I'm going to compare this keyboard to my Razer Black Widow 2014 version keyboard. And we'll go back and forth with that, and it'll be very fun. But that's all for today on this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested, I'm going to be starting to stream on Twitch, just playing games and stuff like that. If you see more of my videos, you know I probably game, you can tell. So down below in the description, we'll have my link to my stream. I stream every so often, more towards the end of the day. I don't have a set schedule, but if more people start showing up, I will. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a good rest of your day, you guys, and peace.